Welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to create a deep learning model by which we are going to detect the defective marble pieces or any other manufacturing defects. So for creating a deep learning model, we are going to use Teachable Machine, which is a website. So this is the URL and you can click on get started. So our marble project is going to be an image project. So we are going to click on image project, standard image model. And here as you can see there are different classes. I will explain it to you what this means in a minute. We'll click on upload files, and then here we have a data set. We have our testing images. So first class is cracked, whether the marble is cracked or not. Like cracking of marble is also a manufacturing defect. So I will select all of these by pressing Ctrl A, and I will upload all these images for training purpose. And I will rename it to cracked marble. In the second class, we are going to upload again, but at this time next are the dot marbles. We'll rename it to dot marble. And another defect class. These are the ideal marbles, which are perfect and they don't have any manufacturing defects in them. So let's rename it as ideal marble. We'll add another class, and here this is our last class, which are for joint marbles. So as we have included all our classes in this model, we have to train the model. So before training the model, let me tell you there are also hyperparameters in this. So you can tweak these parameters in order to get the optimal performance from your model. So if you know what you are doing, so feel free to tweak these settings. And now we are going to click on train model. This may take some few minutes. So after a model has finished training, it would look something like this. So by default, it takes input from webcam. So we want it to take input from our file. So I will click on file and then upload a file. I have uploaded a file of cracked marble, and as you can see, it is able to detect with 100% accuracy that it's a cracked marble. So this could be used in marble industries in order to quickly detect the faults in the marbles and discard that batch. So that was it for this video, and thanks for watching.